Hi Andy, can you see that it's drizzling? This is the kind of weather that we have now, and yeah, this is some repairs at the entrance to my hiding place, so it's very gloomy. And this is Ligovsky Avenue, and I'm heading to subway. Well, the raindrops are getting on my screen, but the subway entrance is very close, so I can walk a little bit. But at least it's not too dusty, not as dusty as always. I really dislike this place because there are a lot of pigeons and a lot of dust that gets in your eyes. As you can see, many people around, but not too many. In the evening it's a few times more. What's this? Is this 74? And this is the famous Troika, the third bus. I'm not sure where it goes. Улица Костюшка, Римского, Корсакова, проспект Римского.